HIPPO is your home improvement project planner and organizer. A comprehensive dashboard takes your DIY project management to new levels. You can view information and the status of all of your projects from the project dashboard. Projects, which are the core of HIPPO, are built from tasks and appointments. The project page displays all of the information related to the project, including tasks and appointments, notes and images, calendar views, and budget and status information. Add DIY tasks that you will be undertaking in your project. You can include the tools, equipment, materials, and fixtures the project will require. Manage appointments to edit contractors, bids, and pricing of professional work. Create jobs from existing estimates. Bids will be carried over for pricing and budgeting. Organize your home and projects with spaces, which are the logical rooms and areas of your home. Know the dimensions of each space along with the colors and textiles used in it, plus the size of fixtures like a couch or refrigerator. Use the color page to manage paint, stain, and textiles of each space, so you always select the right one for a project. Manage the upkeep and safety of your home with handy monthly and seasonal maintenance reminders and DIY tips. Track information regarding warranties for appliances and their expected lifespan so you can budget for replacements. HIPPO isn't just a checklist. It's a comprehensive template that centralizes every detail of your project, from initial inspiration to final execution. All of your budgeting, contacts, ideas, and timelines organized in one remarkable template. Say goodbye to scattered notes and lost files, and hello to HIPPO, a template that brings clarity and control to your biggest home improvement project goals.